Want to learn German anywhere, anytime? Get the Innovative Language 101 app for free.
Hi everybody, Anja here. Welcome to Ask a Teacher, while I'll answer some of your most common German questions. The question for this lesson is, how do I express feelings in German? Letting people know how you feel is an important part of daily conversation. That's why this lesson focuses on how to express emotions. Do you know how to say, I'm happy, I'm sad, or I'm sick in German? You will find out in this lesson. To express emotions in German, usually the subject is followed by the verb sein, to be, and then the adjective. This verb is commonly used to talk about your own feelings, can be used to talk about others' feelings depending on the context. Let's do some examples so you can learn how to express your feelings in German. Let's start on a positive note. Ich bin glücklich. I am happy. Here we have the word ich meaning I, followed by the conjugated form of the verb sein, to be, and the adjective glücklich, happy. So altogether it means I am happy. Some examples are Du bist fröhlich. You are happy, pleased. Here we have the word du, meaning you, followed by bist, a conjugated form of the verb sein, to be, and the adjective fröhlich, glad. So altogether it means you are glad. Next, ist unglücklich. He is unhappy. Here we have the word meaning he, followed by ist, a conjugated form of the verb sein, to be, and the adjective glücklich, unhappy. So altogether it means he is unhappy. Wir sind traurig. We are sad. Here we have the word wir meaning we, followed by sind, a conjugated form of the verb sein, to be, and the adjective traurig, sad. So altogether it means we are sad. Next, wir sind verwirrt, durcheinander. They are confused. Here we have the word sie meaning they, followed by sind, a conjugated form of the verb sein, to be, and the adjective verwirrt, durcheinander, confused. So altogether it means they are confused. Ihr seid zufrieden. You all are satisfied. Here we have the word ihr meaning you, plural followed by seid, the conjugated form of the verb sein, to be, and the adjective zufrieden, satisfied. So altogether it means you are satisfied. When you express your feelings in German, you almost always use adjectives. That's why the letters are all written in lowercase. Please check out a full list of conjugations for the verb sein, to be, in the lesson notes. How was this lesson? Pretty interesting, right? Do you have any more questions? Leave them in the comments below and I'll try to answer them.